Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to add the music on KineMaster. But please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any future video which will be full information about the editing. Okay guys, open KineMaster. Then click the plus icon to create a new project. After that, choose your 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. Now tap on media, videos, then go to audio and select music. Click plus button and music inside your timeline. Cut the music. Adjust the volume. Finally, export the video and save inside your phone.